Today on the test we have an entry-level PC case Zalman. The model is T7 case that doesn't impress with size and space, but is big enough to push into the mid-ATX category. The price is entry level because it's only $35. Even though the price is low, it must be acknowledged that the case has really solid quality. You can put every classic ATX power supply and every ATX board. A large graphic card will fit well enough so you don't have to worry about it. The quality of the build is mediocre, but there is nothing to complain about at this price point. The case comes with two 12 cm diameter fans, and there is still room for two additional fans. If you insert the RGB fan, of course the look of the housing increases greatly and will become even more appealing. On the top of that, there is a removable dust filter at the top of the case. Also, regarding the storage, there are two slots for SSD and two slots for the standard 3.5 disc, and that will probably satisfy the needs of basically of all normal users. The design of a case itself looks elegant and beautiful, so users will be extremely pleased. All in all, if you are making a budget configuration, be sure to consider Zalman T7 because it's a pure solid product at a very reasonable price.